In today's video, we will be talking about 10 insane gadgets you have never seen. Number 10. XIAOMI'S CyberONE Robot. The robot on your screen is made by the Chinese brand XIAOMI, and it intends to bring the robot versus human wars closer to this generation. This humanoid robot's main goal is to make friends with actual humans just in case humans need AI-based friends. CyberONE is a 52 kilos heavy and 177 centimeters high robot. The robot appears like an actual robot, and it is not like a human, which is creepier. You will get white torsos and limbs, and the joints and the face have gray and darker black colors. What makes CyberONE more interesting is that it features a MySense depth vision module, as well as, of course, AI interaction technology. Number 9. PROTEUS. This is a scanning and new robotic arm technology for fulfillment centers. It is an autonomous warehouse robot, and it is named PROTEUS, and it is specially designed to move around facilities on its own while transporting carts full of packages from one spot to another. The manufacturer said the robot makes use of advanced safety, perception, and navigation technology, which is well developed to be able to accomplish work without hindering human employees. It is made to emit a green beam ahead of it as it moves, and it would stop if a human worker steps in front of the beam. Number 8. XPeng's X2 flying car. Developed by the Chinese electric vehicle maker XPeng, a teardrop-shaped eVTOL serves as a flying taxi of the future. The X2 is an all-electric flying car with 2 seats, a carbon fiber body, and 8 rotors. The car is designed to soar to high altitudes of up to 1,000 meters, 3,281 feet, and can cruise at up to 130 kilometers an hour, 81 miles per hour. It can also fly for up to 35 minutes on each charge. Number 7. ACLIM8 Combar Pro. This titanium elite adventurer and heavy-duty multi-tool feature a hammer for hitting nails, a knife for cutting, a saw, a blade, and an axe. To meticulously fuse the vital tools into a sturdy unit that can outperform any task, this Combar shaft features an unbreakable design. The body has a high-end glass reinforced polymer as well as an overmolded head for the strongest shaft connection and safest head. The Combar shaft is long enough and can be held with 2 or 1 hand and knees. It offers a feeling of certainty like a full-sized axe or entrenching tool, yet it is packable enough for toting into the wilderness. Number 6. The Gravity Hook. The gadget on your screen is a cross between a grappling hook and a mechanical saw. Each time it touches down, gravity pushes the jaws open, and lifting it helps to close the jaws around your prize. As soon as the cross piece is added, your gravity hook is transformed into a 4-prong grappling hook. The gravity hook can retrieve all types of items from keys to sunglasses. Made of stainless steel material with dimensions 5 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch by 2.5 inches, it features rust-resistant, compact, removable crosspiece, ball detent pin, and all stainless hardware. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are enjoying the content. Number 5. AARMED Ultimate Survival System and EDC. The ultimate in versatility, this gadget can be customized and used in virtually any survival case. You can use it to start fires, saw wood, hunt, purify water, signal for help, transport fire, skin and clean, dig, as well as store any number of vital items, such as first aid materials, paracord, heat blankets, medicine, or a compass. It is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, with the accessories being made of carbonized steel or aluminum. The AARMED is constructed to last as long as you do. Number 4. STRAPZ Multifunctional Survival Kit and Lifesaver. This gadget is the perfect upgrade for all your survival needs. It is built to be durable under extreme conditions. It is made by a Polish inventor, and it is a simple and everlasting product that you can take on a hike as well as a big accessory in the city. It possesses straps with several add-ons, such as the toe strap. The weight of the set is 31 ounces, and the possibility of use is limited by the imagination of buyers. It is used to dry clothes, carry brushwood, climb steep slopes, set up a shelter, as well as survive in any condition. Number 3. NORDIC Flexible Pocket Chainsaw. This is a high-quality chainsaw that is also a valuable tool for most of your outdoor adventures. A pocket saw that is suitable for camp life, hiking, and fishing trips. Make sure you have one lying in your car for a moment you're surprised by fallen trees. The hand-powered chainsaws are durable and extremely powerful. Use it to get through branches and trees when cutting bushes and smaller trees or when you are making a fire. Number 2. The Survivor Filter Pro. This portable water filter pump is one of the best of its kind on the market today. From a filtration level to an astounding 0.01 microns, the highest level that is available on the market presently for any kind of portable water filter. It has proven 0.01 micron protection against all tested viruses, parasites, and bacteria while reducing the majority of heavy metals and improving water taste. Number 1. Pocket Shot Pro Aero Kit. This kit was one of the most anticipated products. It is efficient and well packaged. You wouldn't wait to take photos and get shooting. The modern Pocket Shot Pro Aero Kit combo is a durable slingshot-like device intended to shoot arrows just like a projectile. It features Pro Aero pouch with D-loop, hammer handle with wrist brace, whisker cap, archery release, 3 red arrow pouches, and a Nock C.